Hey YouTubers, I'm back. This is part 2 of this quick weave install with this old hair by Sensual collection. I'm done with that, with the little bit I had of that. Now, the only other hair that I have is this hair. Same curl pattern, but much shorter. So, because the only other hair I have is this one, and the curl, it's a little longer, but the curl pattern looks way different, like look more straight at the end or something. These curls, I like the curls that I have in. But okay, so if I took this around, it's right here, around like this, I'll see that. And when I spray it, I'm pretty sure it'll all blend in. So okay, so I'm gonna take this around to about right here, and on this side to about right here. Okay, I'm just trying to get through this, y'all, because I got other stuff to do, like homework, besides my head. So okay, now let's go on this track here. I guess when my hair get long enough to braid, I'll be doing sew-ins. It probably is long enough to braid because I was African. Didn't know how to braid that short hair. But, okay, so here's my probably 7th track, starting with this new hair. You take this around and above, right there, and to there. I know y'all thinking like, dang, that hair is way shorter than the other hair, but you know what? It'll blend. It'll blend. To weave or not to weave? That's the question. Okay, so, you know, okay, because I just don't think that other hair look right, because the curl pattern is different. At least the curl pattern is the same on this guy. Take this around right there, and then to about right here. So we'll be doing on the visible side part. And we go like that. Oh my goodness. It's starting to feel like it's hot outside now. I am in Florida, but this morning it was cool when I took my 3-mile walk to take my daughter to school. And ain't nothing wrong with walking. She toned up and stuff. Took some fish out last night, forgot about it, and woke up this morning. I had a whole bag of fish fillets. Not that from stuff, but real fish. Spoil. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one, like this, into about right here, like that. Okay, and there we go with that. Now, I know it's probably looking a little crazy now, but trust me, it'll be alright. Now, take the other track. I'm probably going to mess around and have to end up using that other hair, and I don't want to. So I don't like the curl pattern. Okay, so this one like this one like this. Yeah. so y'all know what I hate. I hate for hair to be all in my face, so I can't wait for this to be done so I can style it the way I need it to be styled, because I can stand for hair to be in my face. I don't know how y'all do it with the hair all in the face. Like, that don't irritate you? Hair all in your eyes and stuff like that. Okay. Now, my youngest son moved out a week ago. I cried at first because I'd be worried about him. But it's kids for you. So take that right there. Take that around. There. Okay. And there we go. Yeah. Okay, so we got a few more. I'm looking crazy, y'all. But I think it's gonna be cute when I'm done. Okay, so now take this like this. Take this like that. Yeah. Okay. So this will go right here. This will go over here. Okay, so old weave, you know, just trying things. 'Cause I want a different look other than my little short natural look. I'll be glad when it grow out some more. I'm so impatient, so I'll be lace fronting it up and weaving it up and, you know, braiding if I can. Do my little mini twist out, stuff like that. And right now I'm broke because my school check ain't came yet. So I have to work with what I have. And okay, so I'm gonna take this one right here. Okay, come around. There, like that. Okay. Okay, so hold on, y'all. What needs for me, and I got all the way up. Okay. Yeah. So y'all see what's going on so far, right? Okay. Now. Okay. Now for these other tracks, thinking I might start taking them. I really should say these pieces for the front. Okay, so wait a minute, I got some kind of curly stuff with some red in it. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this here. Look like a brown with some red in it, and I'm gonna put these tracks across in the back. Okay, so quick weave, huh? Okay, so put that track like, yeah, like that. Like, dang, this girl got all colors in her hair. Like, she's the color of the rainbow. Ain't nothing wrong with the rainbow, baby. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this track in the back, going across. Okay. I'm really trying to do a real quick weave, because I got things to do. So So we're going to take that one, cross like that. Okay, that. Hold it for a minute. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And get another one. It's going to go across like that too. Should take it like this. And then around like that. Okay. Let's see how that turns out. Okay, so I'll take this one around like this, and then like that. Yeah. So my hair is going to be about 30 colors, and we're going to see what happens with that, y'all. Okay, so, little gray pieces in the tracks. I hate that, but I can get them out later. Right now, I'm just concerned with getting hair on my head. So, just put it like that. That this I'm gonna go like this for some reason because I'm trying to shorten my time put my tracks in, so I'm carry that all the way around there. Okay, there we go. Now I ain't never seen nothing like this before. Okay, but trust me, it's gonna turn out cute. Okay, so now we take. Ooh, look at all this hell. Now we're gonna take this and another one and going across like there. This might turn out cute when I'm little big puffy. Curly afro type styles. Yeah. Okay, so take this check and put this check right there. Okay, so I'm trying to hurry up, y'all. I wish I had a pause button. I wish y'all tell me what kind of cameras y'all be using, because I can't pause nothing. I either stop it and that's the end of the video, or start it. So okay, so I take this piece. Let's go right there. There we go. Okay. Okay, so I hate for hair to be in my face. Okay, so I got that on right there. Okay, we're going to take some more tracks, put them across the back. Okay, so this like this. Then we got to work on this invisible side part, which will be the last video. So I'm not, this will be like 14 minutes in on this one. Okay, so this. This, that. Okay. Whew. So I hope everybody's enjoying their what's today? Tuesday. Everybody's enjoying their Tuesday. I would enjoy mine a little bit better if my school disbursement had came in. Went shopping, you know, got some new weave. Okay. So take that like that. Okay, so wow. So I got most of the tracks in. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut my cap and I'm gonna start working on my invisible part, and I'll be back.